Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this Rua cube. Rua cube will solve using few algorithms of Curvicopter. This is center, these are edges, uh, and this small triangle piece is a corner. So these are corners. And I'll show you a few algorithm which moves the pieces. So if we want to we'll use this jumbling move of this curvicopter, wherein we jumble this. If we want to jumble these two pieces, we if we want to swap these two pieces, what we normally do is we jumble these two and these two. So these two pieces will be swapped. So similarly, in this case also, what we'll do is, if we want to jumble these two, this piece and this piece, and this piece and this piece, so it is double jumble move. So what we'll do is, this is up and down and back. From here it is up and down and rotate it 180 degree and back. So now we can see this gray piece which was here is moved here, and this blue piece moved here. Similarly, this green piece which was here moved here, and orange piece which was here moved here. So it is double jumble move. So this both the pieces are swapped, and similarly these two pieces are swapped. Secondly, we can use three cycle between the centers also, like up. So that will move, this center will come here, this center will come here, and this center will come here. So up, up, down, down. So now we can see this piece was here, it moved here, and this piece was here, it moved here, and this piece was here, it moved here. So again we'll get back to in its original position, and this is double jumble move. I'll again bring this into its original position. Okay, so now first let us scramble it. So it is scrambled properly. So now first step is to bring this into its original shape. So we need to try to fix this very slowly, that it should not pop out. So we should not put any pressure on any piece. So first let us try and fix. See, we have one side which is fixed. Okay, now we have okay. So let us try from this angle if we can. Okay, This is done, and can we fix it from this angle? So this was supposed to popped out. We should be careful while fixing it. So first we'll have to take this out like this, and now we can move it. Okay, and can we try fixing this? Okay, let's try to fix it. Okay, yeah, so now it is into its original shape. So it is very intuitive. You need to try various options, and it will be into its correct position. So now next step is to fix the edges. Okay, so now next step is to fix the edges. So we'll start uh, with this. This is light purple. We need to find another piece which has light purple. It is here. So this piece will come here. So it is rotated, so again we'll have to rotate this from this side. And now we'll see, no, again we have to, this is again rotated, so we'll have to take this out, rotate it from this side, and now we can fix it. So now we can see we have two edges which are placed. Now we have to bring one yellow piece over here, yellow edge piece that is here. So we'll try, no, we have to rotate it because it will be rotated, so we'll have to take it out. Now we can fix it. So you can see we have 1, 2 and 3 pieces which are placed properly. We have to bring one pink is here, so but it is rotated, so we'll have to take this out. And now we can fix it. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 edges which are correctly positioned. Now we have to bring this 4 edges into its correct place. Now next is we have to bring this, we have to fix this edges into its correct position. So this light green should be here, this piece, this orange and purple, we have one piece which is correctly positioned, and 1, 2, 3, these 3 pieces, edge pieces are not. So what we can do is we can keep this on left hand side, and we'll use the algorithm which will rotate these 3 edges. So we'll use this algorithm, that is right, left, back, left, back, right, back, left, back, left. So this will not be disturbed and these three got rotated. So now you can see this green is into its correct position, this blue is also into its correct position, and this light green is also into its correct position. Now we have to just orient the edges. Okay, so now next step is we have to rotate these three edges into its correct orientation. So this we need to rotate twice, 1 and 2, to get the green. So we need to rotate 2 times clockwise. Here also we need to rotate 2 times clockwise, and this also we need to rotate 2 times clockwise, and this is already solved. So this 3 needs to be rotated. So what we'll do is we'll use one algorithm, so that is front, right, back, left. We'll do it 3 times, and we'll start with this, and we'll do it anti-clockwise to rotate it. So it is front, right, back, left, front, right, back, left 2 times, front, right, back, left 3 times. Okay, so you can see this is not disturbed and this is rotated once, this all rotated once. Now again we'll use the same algorithm, front, right, back, left 3 times, and this will be solved. So front, right, back, left once, front, right, back, left 2 times, front, right, back, left 3 times. Okay, so now you can see all the edges are correctly positioned. Okay, so now next step is to fix the centers. So we'll use 3 cycle algorithm. So first let us start with this. This is gray, red, orange and purple. This space should be here, but we need to plan a setup move so that it can place properly oriented here. So is it possible if we can plan from this side? So this red will come here. Okay, no, this is not the correct position. So can we plan from this side? Okay, so this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So up, up, down and down. So you can see this is solved. Similarly we have to fix this piece. This piece is this piece should be here, but we need to fix it in such a way that it should properly place. So how can we do it? Okay, what if we plan to we'll fix it from this side? No, we'll bring this side, and from this side. Okay, is it possible if we can try to solve? Okay, first let us see what all pieces we can solve easily, and then we'll focus on the difficult centers. So this is yellow, green. So this center should be here. So and this is yellow one. So this yellow should be here. So okay, so what we can do is we'll bring this center over here, so that this yellow will be on back side, and when we move this when we'll do this algorithm 3 cycle, so this will come here and the yellow side will on this side. So okay, so now we'll use 3 cycle algorithm. So up, up, down, down, and now we'll undo the setup move. So now we can see this is also fixed. Okay, now third, we are left with 4 centers which we need to fix. So this is this center needs to fix here, and here it should be white. So okay, so what we can do is we can bring this center over here like that. So now we can fix it over here, and this white piece which is on back side will come here and it will match with this. So okay, so this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So up, up, down, down, and we'll have to undo the setup move. Okay, so now we can see we have solved 1, 2 and 3. These 3 centers are now solved. Now we are left with 3 centers. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now we have to set up, we have to plan in such a way that all the centers should fix at the same time. Let's see if we can do it. So this center will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. Okay, but we need to plan this in such a fashion that okay, so what if we bring this center over here and this center on this side? So okay, so this will come here and it will be solved. And what about this? Okay, so this will come here and it will be solved, and this green, because here it is, this green will come here. Okay, so let's try to solve it. This will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So up, up, down, down, and now let us do the undo the setup move. So Okay, so now we have a situation where we have two centers are into its correct position. This is also into its correct position and this is also into its correct position. Both the centers are rotated. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll bring this up. So these two centers are rotated. So how can we fix it? So first what we'll do is we'll have to use this solved center also, because we need at least three centers to do three cycle. So we'll have to use this center also. Okay, so now we are left with two centers we need to solve. So as I said, we have to disturb this center also. So up, down, down. So now we can see we have to now bring this center this side up, because now we have three centers 1 2 3 which are not solved. So we'll bring it this center over here and bring this center down here, so that this blue side will come here and it will be solved, and uh, this purple side will come here, will come here and it will be solved. So this is up, up, down and down. So now we can see it is solved, and now we have to undo the setup move. So this side down and this side up. So now we can see all our centers are properly positioned, except okay, this is also properly positioned. Okay, so we are through with this step. Now we have to fix the corners. So this is last step to fix the corner.